One of the areas of a building that most people don't even think about are the stairwells. However, for almost every building that we clean that is more than 1 story tall, we are obligated to also do the stairwells. So this training is going to show you what we expect you to do if you have a stairwell in your building. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your microfiber cloth and you're going to wipe the railing like this, okay? I'm going to go all the way down, but I'm just going to stop just for the purposes of this video. And you're also going to dust. And the reason we have the duster is we're down below. You actually want to get in between the railings, and we would do that going all the way down. Now, if your steps that you do are like concrete or they don't have a railing, then none of this actually matters. So just for this purpose, though, I'm going to do this. And this would mostly be probably once a month in most facilities. And then if you want to follow me, sometimes in a building you have things like windowsills. So we're going to start at the top, get the whole inside ledge, and then just put all the debris on the ground because you're going to sweep it up anyways. And even under here, this lip, sometimes there's cobwebs that get up under here. Last but not least would be the baseboard, if you have a baseboard in your stairwell. Okay, that should do it for the dusting part of stairwell cleaning. As part of stairwell cleaning, which again is usually once a month, maybe once a week, you have to check your checklist, you're going to be sweeping. So you're going to take a broom, and you're going to sweep, and you're going to pull. Sweep, and then pull. Sweep. So there's not a lot of debris on these steps, but there still is. We'll see when we get done. And then what you want to do is like on the landing part. I'm going to show you, we're going to keep sweeping. I'm just going to make a little pile. And once you did the whole landing, what you want to do is you either have a standing dustbin or one like this where you have to lean down and just sweep everything into your dustpan like that. And that is it for sweeping of the stairwells. The last step in stairwell cleaning would be mopping. And again, that's usually once a month or maybe even less often depending on the building. So you just kind of want to mop like this, back and forth. And again, like the sweeping, you're going to kind of go back and forth and then pull down. If there's any leftover debris, you want to kind of pull that with you and not leave it on the step. And we'll do this all the way down. And if you would have any leftover debris, you would grab your dustpan again and broom. So I'm not seeing a whole lot. There's maybe a couple pieces. But we're just going to do this all the way down until it's complete. So there you go. That is the conclusion of stairwell cleaning.